In this video, I'm going to show you my exact strategy to making over $20,000 per month on Facebook in 2019. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so if you're watching this video, most likely you want to know how to make money from Facebook. What this video is all about is what's going to be my strategy to double my income in 2019 using Facebook. Now, there's a lot of people who claim that they can make money from Facebook, but what they're actually talking about is selling their products and services using Facebook ads or doing something like drop shipping. I actually get paid by Facebook. Facebook actually deposits money into my bank account every single month, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do this, the two different ways that you can do this in 2019. Now, what this video is all about is how I'm going to scale my business to $20,000 per month with Facebook alone. If you're trying to make money with Facebook, you can apply some of these strategies and you can learn from what I'm doing to also scale your business. In fact, if you want to know exactly how I make money with Facebook, you can go ahead and watch this video. I'm going to post a link in the description of this video so you can go and watch some of the videos where I talk about how much money I'm actually making per month on Facebook, and you can see how the entire thing works. So the first way that I make money with Facebook is with something called the Facebook Instant Articles. Now, this is part of the Facebook Audience Network, which is something that you can apply to. It's similar to Google AdSense, basically, where you have a blog and you start publishing content on Facebook, and then your posts turn into instant articles. So when you're browsing on the Facebook app and you see an article and you click on it, the actual article loads automatically, extremely fast, and inside of that article you'll see ads provided by Facebook. That is Facebook Instant Articles. Now, the more traffic you can get inside of the Facebook app, the more money you can make. Now, traffic is not a problem for me. In fact, I posted a video a few days ago where I talk about how I'm able to get 1 million visitors per month to one of my blogs, how I've been able to do that for the past 90 days. You can go and watch this video. I break down the process of how I did it. But basically, I've been able to build multiple Facebook pages over time. Now, quick disclaimer, this actually didn't happen overnight. I actually spent quite an amount of money in the beginning. I started spending money to grow these pages little by little, paying for content. So I started growing these pages to hundreds of thousands of likes to those pages, and I have a few of them. Now, before I jump into the actual strategy that I'm going to be using with Facebook Instant Articles, which I'm going to show you an example on my computer so you can understand the idea and you can learn how you can do this the same way that I'm going to be doing it and how anyone can do this, I'm going to talk about the second way that you can make money with Facebook. Just a few months ago, Facebook actually opened a new monetization tool that allows you to make money from your videos. Similar to YouTube, when you're watching a YouTube video and you can place ads inside of your YouTube videos, Facebook now has the same exact thing. In fact, if you want to learn more about how to monetize your videos on Facebook, I have a video that explains the whole process, how you can qualify and how you can start making with Facebook ad breaks. Now, there's no real way to scale this because it just depends on what type of videos you're posting, the type of page that you have. If you actually post a video and it goes viral with millions of views, then you're gonna make a lot of money. The same thing that could happen on YouTube. But there's no real way to scale that because you're basically creating content, you're creating video, hoping that one of those videos will go viral. It'll give you more followers, and at the same time, it'll make you more money. So I'm going to skip that part for now, and I'm just going to talk about Facebook Instant Articles because I have a little bit more experience with this type of monetization with Facebook. Even though I'm already making money with the Facebook ad breaks, I don't have a lot of experience to talk about it and actually create a strategy that allows me to double my income. It's a matter of just creating more videos and trying to hit a video and make it go viral so I can make more money, because you never know what video is going to go viral. I'm going to talk to you in this video about Facebook Instant Articles and how you can actually scale your income. If you're making $100 per month, how you can scale that to $1,000 per month, depending on your pages, your traffic, the type of niche you're into. So we're going to cover all that in this video. Now, if you want to learn exactly how you can start making money with affiliate marketing, just go ahead and download my free affiliate marketing guide below. It'll show you exactly the process. It'll give you a more detailed process of how I did it and how you can do the exact same thing. So there's 3 steps to making money with Facebook instant articles. The first step is you gotta have a Facebook page. The bigger your page, the more likely you are to get traffic. At the same time, you gotta know what niche you're gonna be jumping into. You can talk about politics, you can talk about news, you can talk about entertainment, you can talk about sports. There's many different categories and topics that you can talk about in your blog. But initially, you gotta figure out what type of page do I want to make inside of Facebook. What I tell the people who ask me all the time, Lester, what type of page should I actually create on Facebook? I often say, well, what do you like to do? You like sports? You like baseball? Do you like the NBA? Do you like MMA? Do you like to talk about football? Do you like to talk about whatever it is that you want to talk about that you enjoy? Why not just create a page about that specific topic? Because if you start working on that, it's not going to feel like work. If you create a page on a topic that you really don't enjoy, then it's gonna feel like work. So you have to enjoy what you're gonna be doing, because this is a long-term process. This is not something that you're gonna be doing for a week or 2 weeks hoping that you'll make money. This is something that you'll need to do for a year, 2 years, 3 years to grow that page into a community, into an actual page with thousands and thousands of people who enjoy the content that you're posting. So you want to make sure it's something that you really, really enjoy. So that is the first step. Just create the page on a topic that you really, really enjoy. Once you have that page, your first goal is to get that page to 10,000 likes on Facebook. This is extremely easy to do. If you want to do it the fast way, the best way to do it is using Facebook ads to actually pay Facebook to get likes on your page on that specific niche. And the thing is, the Facebook ads platform gives you so much detailed targeting that you can find anyone, everywhere, anytime on that specific topic. So let's say that you created a Facebook page about baseball. Well, you can find thousands and millions of fans who enjoy baseball. You can target teams by names. You can target specific athletes inside of Major League Baseball. There's so many opportunities for you to actually get likes on Facebook to your page, because most likely your followers are already on Facebook. You just have to know how to reach them. I also have a video about how to actually create ads on Facebook ads. It's extremely easy to do. Anyone can do it. It just takes a little bit of practice and a little bit of experimentation in order to know exactly what is the audience that you're targeting. I'm going to post a link to that video also in the description below. All right, so once you have your page, once you have 10,000 followers, then this is the point where you can create your own blog. And this is very simple to do. You can have a WordPress blog, for example. It'll cost you less than 20 bucks to set up. That's including the domain name and hosting. So in the beginning, you're not going to get a lot of traffic, so you don't need a really expensive hosting plan or anything like that. You just need a simple blog where you can send traffic to, and the blog won't actually crash. And the best way to do that is you can set up a simple hosting plan for your WordPress blog and a simple theme where you can actually publish your content on a daily basis. So let's say that you have 10,000 followers on baseball fans, for example. Then you can start creating news and information, perhaps 2, 3, 5, 10 articles per day, depending on how much can you write. You can start creating that content yourself, or you can hire a freelancer to create that content for you, and you post it on your blog. You start building that audience that it'll go to your blog and start reading your news and information and articles that are being posted daily on your blog, and that's going to help you build that community. At the same time, you're going to have the opportunity to make money. There's multiple ways that you can monetize your blog, but in this case, because we're talking about Facebook, so once you have 35, 50 articles on your blog and you have 10,000 likes on your Facebook page. Now, quick note, you don't necessarily need 10,000 followers on Facebook in order to apply for monetization, but I usually say 10,000 because that's where you're going to start seeing some results. So if you want to see some results, get at least 10,000, because that's going to help you get some initial traffic, and at the same time you'll be able to just grow your page a little bit faster. Once you start posting, you can apply for monetization inside of Facebook. I believe you need about 10 to 15 articles that they'll need to review to ensure that you're posting content that is not replicated from from other websites, that you're not just copying and pasting articles from other websites, that they're actually unique. So once you pass that process and they approve your monetization, then you can start making money with Facebook Instant. The next step is simply just create content daily. You need to start creating content on a daily basis to ensure that you get consistent traffic to your blog. You're not gonna make a lot of money in the beginning, and that's okay. That's part of the process, because you need to figure it out how to scale your followers, how to grow them into 100,000 likes, 500,000, 1,000,000 likes on Facebook, because the more likes you have, the more opportunities to get more traffic, which is the point of where I'm at right now. I have pages with hundreds of thousands of likes on Facebook. I'm going to show you the strategy which I'm planning to implement this year to ensure that I'm able to get more traffic and actually reach a bigger audience inside of my niche. So to do that, I actually have to jump into my computer and show you some of the examples. So let's do that right now. All right, you guys, so let me explain how this strategy that I'm laying out for you actually works, so you understand how you can scale your earnings with Facebook Instant articles, how you can double your traffic. And this is for people basically who have a blog, who are actually monetizing with Facebook Instant articles, or maybe you're not monetizing with Facebook Instant articles and you simply want more traffic to your blog using Facebook. So this is something that you can definitely do, and I'm going to explain how it actually works. So in this case, let's say that you have your main page. In this case, I'm using the HuffPost as an example. You have your main page with thousands of new followers on your page, and that main page is your niche page, depending on what niche that is. Like I said, it could be sports related news page, it could be politics, it could be different things. But what we're going to talk about is how you can break down those categories into different pages. So the HuffPost has about 9 million followers on their main page. But if you go down, you can see that they have multiple individual pages that also have millions of followers. So they have divided their categories into multiple pages, so that way they can attract different audiences depending on what they like. So basically, if we go down, you can see the HuffPost politics. So if you have a category on your blog where you talk about sports, let's say baseball, and within your blog you have a category dedicated to highlights, for example, where you can create a page name, your page name / or highlights, and that way you only post about highlights and things that are going up on baseball to that specific page. Now the beauty of this method is that you're sharing your articles multiple times in multiple pages at the same time, so you're reaching a lot of different people at the same time. So if we go to their main page, you can see that the links actually don't change. It's the same link, but they're posting general topics on their main page, and if they talk about a specific politics or something, they'll post that on their politics page. So that's gonna attract people who are only interested in politics, but you're also getting more traffic to that specific category. The difference is that if you only had this page and you're sharing all the different categories and all the different articles to that same page, which is what I have right now. I have a big page with hundreds of thousands of likes in that niche, but I'm gonna start breaking down to different smaller pages that I can share those articles within that specific niche. So I'm gonna have to invest some money to grow those pages in the beginning, but that's gonna allow me to make more money in the long term because I'll be able to get more traffic from those specific pages. This is the same thing that all the big publishers actually make on Facebook. This is you'll find this with CNN, you'll find this with Fox News, you'll find this with basically every single big brand on Facebook that actually make their living by creating content, is that they have multiple Facebook pages that are basically designed for that specific category within their niche. And that's what allows you to just scale your business and double your traffic, and at the same time double your income. All right, so as you can see, this strategy just involves expanding your niche. Then this is reaching into specific categories within your niche to help you build different audiences inside of Facebook. The same thing that these guys are doing, and a lot of different publishers are doing. They just create multiple Facebook pages for each of the categories that they're in. They create Facebook pages for sports and categories within that same brand, allowing them to basically just share their articles from one page to the other and allow them to make more money with the traffic that they're getting from multiple Facebook pages at the same time. You don't need to monetize 100 Facebook pages. All you need is basically one Facebook page that has the monetization, and then the other pages you can use to simply drive traffic, because once you share that article to those multiple Facebook pages, they will still be instant articles, meaning that even though those pages are not going to be monetized, you will still be able to make money, because that page where the content was posted initially is already monetized. So as you can see, the possibilities and opportunities within this method is basically that it allows you to get traffic from many different sources at the same time without you having to apply or create different blogs for each of those pages. You simply create the page, you start growing those pages. Usually you can grow them a lot faster if you can post videos, memes, pictures, things like that. So how it works is you have your blog, your page on the top, your page and your Facebook page is monetized. Below those pages you have 1, 2, or 3 pages that are related to your main page using the same brand, but it's created with the purpose of targeting different categories within that same niche. So imagine how many different pages you can set up for that same niche, attract different audiences. So you can see how you can scale this in a way where you can get more traffic out of the same niche you're already into. You're not jumping into a different niche, you're simply dividing your categories to a point where you're able to actually get more traffic from Facebook and hence making more money. I really do hope that all of this makes sense. I know it might seem a little bit complicated, but if you want to get a little bit more context on how this works, how you can make money with Facebook Instant, I'm going to post the links in the description below so you can learn a little bit more information on how to get started, how you can actually start making money with Facebook. And again, the difference between myself and others out there who claim that they can make money with Facebook is that I actually make money from Facebook. They actually pay me money every single month, and not just by promoting a product or service or doing drop shipping using Facebook ads. So with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a like and drop me a comment if you have any questions below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week, hopefully to help you guys make more money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.